Go, Dwight! Mid si Kia, mid. Striker. Yan gusto niya, yan gusto niya. Go, go, go!
Uy!
Bantay kayo dyan. Anak, galaw!
Lagi, be ready!
Oo nga eh. Lamado talaga eh, no?
Parang dapat pa ganito, no?
Hindi. Eh kaya lang yung left side.
Get the ball, Dwayne! Get the ball! Get, Kia, get! Dwayne, go!
Outside, outside.
Ay, outside.
Alamat! Alamat! Go to the net!
Kia, Kia! Ay, makinig ka sa coach mo pala.
Get it, get it, get it, get it!
Uy! Nice!
Good job, Lagi! Go, Drain! Go, Drain!
Go! All the way!
Go, go! Go, 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 go!
Kia, Kia, get the ball, Kia!
Grabe!
Alamat! Get to your spot! Go to your spot!
For U6, IU23 versus Mendiola. For U8, Aklan Football versus Kaya FC.
Get up! Go, 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 go!
Reminder para po sa lahat ng mga magulang,
Go,
huwag po
go,
kayo
go!
sa green area.
Oh, ay, ay!
IU23 parents, please step back. Balik po.
Free kick, Dwayne! Do the kick! Do the kick! Dwayne, kick, Dwayne!
Wait, 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 wait!
IU23 parents, step back sa green. Thank you, salamat.
Dito ka! Dwayne, patay din! Approach pala! Approach! Approach ka sa mga Dwayne! Patay ha! Anak ka bang! Dito, Dwayne! Wala ka si Ken! Wala ka si Dwayne! Dwayne, go!
Shoot, shoot!
Defense! Defense!
Outside. Ganda na dito eh, no?
Tinignan niya muna kasi kung saan niya go.
Oo, oo. Pero tinignan niya, pero inano nga siya.
Ay, ganun siya.
May tulak eh.
Nice!
Ah,
Outside, outside, outside. Good pa. Oh, alisin mo dyan, alisin mo dyan.
yes! Ay po, excuse me lang.
Defense! Alamat! Get it! Get it! Go down! Go! Go! Go!
Go, Alamat!
Alamat, all the way! All the way, Dwayne! Get it, Dwayne!
Corner! Corner! Alamat! Corner!
Corner, Alamat!
Corner! Corner! Pinjola! Pinjola!
Dwayne, abang sa goal! Abang sa goal!
Alamat! Alamat! Corner! You cross the Dwayne!
Kia, anak masyadong
Kia! Yan, yan, yan. Watch out! Doy, lapit, lapit! Go, Alamat! Go, Alamat! Go, Kia, go! 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 Shoot! Nice one!
Mendiola.
Babantayan yung ano.
Angat pala, angat yun!
Kick agad yan.
Sen, nampal ka na, Sen! Anak!
Dwayne, gitna! Dwayne, gitna! 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 Yan, yan. Okay na, okay na.
Meron po tayong first aid station.
Go! Go!
Standby ang mga medic doon sa may mga puno sa likod. Kung may mga kailangan po ng medic, meron tayong on standby.
Nice! Go, go, go! 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 Nice!
Medics are available here at the back. If you need one, they're just on standby. Thank you.
Steal it! Steal it! Go!
Go, Dwayne!
Go!
Don't stop, anak!
Go, Dwayne, go!
Go! Lagi! Lagi!
Galing, galing.
U6, 1-1. IU23.
Alaman! Use your body!
Organizers are asking for other football clubs who haven't completed the consent forms yet. There is a table here. Please kindly approach the organizer.
Yes!
Ang mga other clubs po na wala pang consent form, pakiisa po meron tayong
Wala!
table dito sa may likod. Pakipirmahan na lang po. All other football clubs na wala pa pong pinirmahan. Maraming salamat.
One more! Open up! Tuduha, sipa! Tuduha! Oh, go! Good!
Go, Dwayne! Steal it!
Ay, wala pala yun.
Nag-whistle eh.
Oo nga.
Hindi pwede yun, nag-whistle.
Hindi, wala. Ay, gusto dapat may one touch pa.
Ha?
Go, steal it! Go, Alaman!
Go, Alamat!
Steal it!
Shoot! Shoot! Ayan. Dwayne, Dwayne! It's okay, it's okay.
Hindi na ako si ano. Hindi ka tubang sa imo.
Atras, atras! Go, Dwayne! Go, Alaman! Get it out! Get it out!
Sira na yung court. Excuse me. Kaya nga eh. Tayo. Go!
Si Coach sa loob na si Coach.
Nice! Go, go, go!
Go! Run! Run! Shoot! Nice! Go! Shoot! Yes! Grabe!
Ito, time na ba? Time niya na. Wait!
Lucky defense! Go, go, go! Get it out! Get it out! Alaman, steal it!
Outside, 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 outside!
Nice!
Go, 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 go! Go, Alamat! Shoot! Dwayne! Dwayne! Lapit! Lapit doon! Lapit sa bola!
Alaman, get ready! Get ready for the cross!
Pasto Alamat, Wayne! Pasto Alamat!
Now! Alamat, watch out! Up, up, up!
Alaman, get ready! Go, go! Go, Dwayne! Shoot!
Shoot, shoot, shoot!
Pass!
Pass, pass! No, run! nila maglaro.
Time na ba? Ang tagal.
Tagal pa, wala pang half time. Oh! Ano yun? Go, run! 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 Run!
Foul! Pinano siya sa paa. Oh my God.
Grabe. Ang intense.
Hey, orange!
Ano? Wala pa.
On the U8, Tamasak goalie, unbelievable goalie. Played so well so far. What's his name? De La
Kick hard, kick hard!
Los Santos. Very good goalie.
Go, side, side!
And again, goalie to the rescue again. Unbelievable goalie.
Go, steal!
Nice!
And Levi! A long last. They're able to get a goal.
Matagal yung time.
The goal doesn't take anything from the goalie. He's fantastic.
11.
Salamat,
11.
4 minutes.
Defense!
Very intense game, the U6.
11 pa lang.
Go down,
11 minutes pa lang. Magte-12.
3 minutes pa. Here! Dwayne! Maganda! Pass!
Go now! Oh! It's okay, it's okay!
Lapit!
So on the next games, please get ready.
Go Kia! Go Kia!
U6, next
Nice! Okay,
game.
okay.
Line!
IU23 against Kaya FC. U6, please get ready. Ilongos 23 against Kaya FC on U6.
Here, Marcos!
On the U8,
Coach, magaling!
Go, kick! Alamat, get your
Ayun naman mo si Dwayne. Wait lang.
Go! Alamat, Go!
Outside!
so
Good job! Go here! Alamat, here!
Here!
Alamat, closer!
Marcos! Here! Marcos! Here!
okay.
Yeah, you go.
On the next game, on the U8, we have LDFA against the Masak. That's U8. U8